kwan no de wa pa but lorry de yemfa so kwa kudru so for do pay yenua no be kan ho de ko twetwe ebremo honorable Kwabena Minta Kando honorable MP Dwabuso constituency then say wayira na nyame adom ya duedue mu a yakotwena ba me kan o ne sere o sere
mo na mayira me de na me ho
da ye ira ye ha
me de da bia mo bia na me ho sa na nyira
ba say de wayira no ni ba bi o ti wo ni ba bi kro ko honorable Henry Kwabena Kokofu MP Bantama honorable Akwaba
nua
apomboko de
adom ne bible
yo ye ka mo se ye nsu a edu dry season se wo hia nsu pa water one specialize eno an ne ye no e say ano pe ye nya parliamentary endorsement honorable abokakra ama ne minimu ayeye they say specialize na ekọ bia say KLM kra na yesam nti enya agro nsu no so ede papa ni akire amna donko mu na ohia na fe your drinks no ohia fluids around this time because of the dryness nti special apple special cola special ginger ni na 144 no betumi de wadin chira bedbedi so adopa nsem yensa na yehwe na newspapers in the buy pa ba medical stores in flames and as ote ya yesi ba bia Ghana yedi yenuro ekogu na yeyima hospital ne health centers no enra eja dem shibe 7 hours shibirabe akoye huhu se ene na sesi ya na duri benya bia na se nya bia te minister for health say enye hu sa bidim so se ebeye hu ara because to da de rekura no ba hye sa no so se yesika me ya mete he menya nka me hunu se kasa na yabo den na ye ma ejanitimi ba sa sha ase na yese 7 hours no na nka within the first hour ye ntimi ndum jana na when we na de aye no ye technical people so ye bisa because they are very 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 important and as we be the jana kotum me ka say 3 days ago me ko tema me ba ade am be hu ye ma mpe only in Ghana instead see be do motorway no mfimfin ho no ye de ja atum say enhye na enhye transformer na ho no na fire service for atu o mo car a bind sika ato fuel agum e kwa kudum jana obi na de tum mo no honorable just no beka ho asem especially medical we say no short boss finally you say mama penny say on twene ho kakra ebra ye nhwehwemu no na yenu ya KKD nsam no aye bibi kakra opa yemfa no mienu munika na medical store ho beba ho akire
yemfa KKD ne
de na ha ne short boss no ha so far de wati de wahu ne de ututu se sana wo se ba no de ye kokoso ya na
yo Katie didi cameraman chia ne
TK oba ha chitinas
Katie ni TK se ni na
community
community amen chia ni menu apan ene ya perform wo hwe ne anopai na me ma obi bia wo hwe official pa em se afi mu ene ne di kanya me ba sa fidi iso na dia wo se ye ni kan fa sha se ye nua KKD ene ye ma me Shraj boss
na me strenka say KKD latest development ne say so abaya natural krata akwa mat ni general ne mpanimfo binom say na ninje asem no ho biem ni ntire ni ye ho ne say on manama for ne say treat ne so na media fo so say nya omonye camera si di na chi ni ade na ye nua KKD na nkasa so atro krata bi so hu letter na nkasa
mate amaka
wa atro letter o say eye honam kono ena de nukuduru bia adu na ede ne mguase abre abaya no ne wono no mabusua nyina enti opachaw epa ne nyankopon chaw
a very interesting development and in fact na minim say horror na pese yako me pese mebu aten na me yi aten at this time say either so ye anasa wanye but the interesting aspect ne abayewa no krata otwoye say asem no ne kon no biem ani yenua KKD nso krata ono so tro ba bonten say ono nso waye bone a wo sere bone fa che woni nyankopon ho na fe wa pa abayewa na chew didi kan yenhwe say minim say mo amaye mra no in criminal no criminal case bia for the state so what you say and the mere fact say for the citizen so chere say was say obi a complaining or so just complainant now in most cases in the complainant in the principal witness in the matter so what you say and you know in criminal issues in KKD the only way say it falls within that a parameter and as that jurisdiction say a criminal issue
just say abide
asem the interesting aspect is say obi entimi ntra ba bi nka say my jam say otel baby of course we the principal witness there but aso mrano ekere ana emma sa abayiwa ne kwan ema ne ka say me na me dey asen ba en my jam enu esutwa wo ho ana so what you say minim say high court and I say court akese no ewo subpoena powers as say empo no say ababayiwa no eka say ne kon no na ye friend no kra na wa ma court no tumi hye no ema ne ba ema answer na so yin court no option na obedi adanse bia ma wo agency sa asema obeka bia na eye no kre na wo ka kira ba court no the court no kra find out later say asem nye no kra wo so o asem but ono so akoye principal witness no eno so no eden na be ma prosecutors as a court no kra hu asem o ka asoye no kre anasa nye no kre and so very difficult because na ya dance ni no and na de hu no worker so it becomes very difficult for you to determine say asem ma me yi ken na baba wa yi ken no kre anasa nye no kre
say dance o de be ba na be kire
dance but you and I were not there nti de no hu no worker kire no so hu ono na wo ho and na de o di dance na tia no so no ono no so say onye interested no nti be very difficult for judge now you and I were not there and prosecutors to determine say aso ababa wa no the court todo no worker kire court no of course say you clear say enye no credit and your court no betimi atake no on but in all this no I mean for me another simple idea anka ebia lose our level in is if you are not interested you don't have to appear before the court until you are subpoenaed anka ebia uko baako mienu miensa as a judges in the future well prosecutors no mu ni case ebia they can easily trash the case out but it's an interesting scenario me say that many
menya suggestion me say unim say asem no bana wuni akire ane nka menkobo amane mpo ansa
that is my
asiba kwasimpre na no enua bia o say obi akobo nasum ono ankasa ba o say di wase eje akire die
oh ewi asimu no menua me ankasa person me principle bi say sabe me na me yere ko edakete ba akoso na asema me nim say ba bontia me ntumi defend na me stand by it me kan kire me yere enkanka enemre mu a security ni ba bia technological word ya nti bibia be fi wa no aba no anamo bia betuo no maza unim say rape case ba bontia mo amoye involved ni nyina you must have something to protect no matter what wo oba no ene be ma ni nyina no mo integrity ene mo ni mo nyam on the line nti so wadwi we nyina me mo bia ntra ba bi nyo dwom me nka say no kwa na chanya no me nko me ko minister to me say me de be kasa asem no so mo but going forward me papa say o si so ko obi fie no o didi mpa ne konto mo na wo twa no o fa ba frame e den yesu frame as on mine as yeah sabe impredia say ye shente krache so ebia KKD ye nipa bia sabe oni din ya nka semi kranke enteki sa national dimension ya teki nti me nu mi do den ye yesu free
the can count the numbers men come
for me nim say politicians especially we are the most vulnerable people in the communities vulnerable nti wasem ba de obi abetumi aka ana obetimi aye no go scot free no who as a politician as obi also take a chese menu ya woti hoye obi ahu every day on the television no sabe wona mo wono kwa no obi pe ho asem kekekra de ayade apulu down that nti for me less na museum mu sabe me enipa me nyeso abofo sabe obi a won ware impo na say wo say ope oba I was say we are convinced say oba na ope no oman ho kwan say and some of these things are very very critical one mpamu grow nsam no eno no mpembebre no enye straightforward sir
ti upeso chese omo so nta chese mo hwe mo mpamu grow ehuyi
eye key masa obi tini be bi minimum amanfo mo pem ma mo de wo kwa wo ho say me de o ma pem that kind of thing but politician can do that
jo afa me mra wo nua so da honorable asemi
Obviously, I hear
some here and crack time, there be young boy, no so we have a bash strike. So we did it and as someone said that the baby. Now, let our one because I try about say, Minister for say I have sent and what your apology be about.
I don't put now the Macono piece, but to send you now, Quamreke, a criminal matter.
Yeah.
And the law is clear. The complainant. So, he who alleges must prove. And the complainant no so be in BB. To honor say, Ukudi actually, now, what church, Quincy, any at the court, Ibua. Adekye Nsroma no aba bontin se adeso ana eduruma I don't see on any actually this is not the first time we see century be the and also
and a bibri kraba I don't because enye nipa na ewo mu no monye bi nipa mo wodin wo nipa mu ntino
so students of law and they no ma fe ni ahia ye practice law a test case we must test it prosecution in these matters or minor area ana ankra na oye involved no
ono
witness nti obetimi atwe ne ho so aba o man betimi pursue case na ade ese sorry by and large
and I say me fa bi nka ho ma na o mi say so say nipa ka say o ma yenja ne sa o say complainant ne so o menti no yenja asem no sa and the practical difficulty be so o say o twene so no be gina no say okay men kasa no so
that is it enti we nyina ye tukru bi ededa emra no ho ne mra dwuma ne court sem ne ade ho enu nti se ukoboko edu aye very sure babakai so what me bakwa akoba amane make sure that wo akudro ni ai free mu bebe biara papa oboni o obeje atai na impempie no esanse paabo ho nti na afen tete wo ho nti na fidi sumu ho nti eba ni se ya na akoye bibi wantanwa yes no kre we are sofo we are politician wo dini senia journalist for mu dini na nyuma di petitu kakra bi wo community mu a ani nyina hwɛ fidi sum ni nyina wo enra woni asresem bi me wa no pa na radio station bi afrem there's 6 o'clock from Kumasi honorable about 7 I be frem 7:30 am si dia ya so group bi abase Kumasi electricity bitters na share eye wo na akwahye ntu omosi
wo
ntu omo be
eni mo hye no mo doso
ntu omo be kana police mrechew mecheme nam so we kura de za ko mu ni nya radio so kentepa omo yara kam ya maba you see these are near marketing kitibia sabre ya ye be call parliamentary primaries politicians yes both NDC MPP
even the internal
CPP one internal fiti sum na ye bebre prekese wonwan anuti se koba ni se ya na akoye dene se ne awura ne kan na ye nokre ana de krachi na mu so kan na ye nokre enti on both sides no individual matters omo private issues ana be omo ana de ba da o mani na jeji ni hunu se asemu a omo de ba no si oje mu na on ni mu bibia na oni akire na eyemra kwan mu a mini hu asem ba onim se state attorney na ankasa o ho kwai so file knowledge process
ono betimi akoye sa so no so kra ni interest
me to kra me ni interest emra na man ho kwai is in there enti bia they may hide under that particular provision in the law na omudi atiki but you were more your niema a hard you know me mu papa me nka say rape cases ni rape ye nim rape cases a ba
leading to death
sa say nipa brabo say nipa psychologically any ad enti enya de pa say so wo me mu semra no ye adwuma say de tie but say involve nipa no bi a unhunu se ye wapayo se ye trap ye bibibi na aye gwantanwan oni anu ne agu nanimu ase fiase da nya de ketwa na wakoda hobi ebi wiase na yentimi anto ankoso eti ye nyina at risk wo ya at risk ya
unim
ana papa ya at risk enti mama yen declare ememe ogana say endangered species
ya ga say endangered species
endangered species
ye ho chire
ya
munya ombe
enti free na eko senanka bia manamo ti se ya ntum ho so de kwamna kai ya so serious
na sa futu ni yetimi tu ye ho fo sa ma ye
oh
wo ye bisa sa de se tetete mre nya nkrofo antimi ntu mo ho fo na na mbetimi
sa afutu aka ni sa enti na ye ntu obi fo wan kasa kakra aka no na de awe ho
nkrofo bi di efri bi mo si tu ho fo enti wa tu ho fo
enti on a more serious note a test case by ya mrase mu no ya mrahihye mu mate se lawyer panini bi akasa wo mo network bi so fa we no mu ni adinya but mummy enkoya nim
okay
I see mama fanka ho
so we are now the charge boss suspending so aka ho prep
mama fanka ho se mu a mu yemranim fo no asem bia ba yesi efe bibi authorities e bia obe kotu constitution na amra no say kotu asembia asida se na esi ye no typical example nsanchoni die ya esi na anu ya ewokumase nti se bibi etisa aban na criminal issue bi etisa ama principal witness bi ajamu ama timi atwade a ene we nso betimi atwa
se we no se court no enye court court ndi asembia in this particular case no nipa no or say onye interested na yesi da bi chinchina bi a prosecution say da bi na beto akoso na fe nka yenya bibisa na no mo ba yensen na
no in that angle yenya bi but yenya e bi a principal witness onye interested in community exactly so that's an authority on itself the council for KKD no can come from that angle so this cases we see principal witness can say only hu bi say na call ye these are authorities for him
ba unim ayi ni aba naile ametepe so ze nanka nipa bebre benya nanka one plead guilty
nanka asem no
na neki ya
fa be kwa wo kai obi kura se asem no ba afoforo no we num ka se da bibi ansi ti nkode ne pemu pa ne se nka asem no ye niwie na ye nhunu but ye niwie ne nhunu so de tada na mu ode
sa pepe etika ye bia ba idi gozo ayi me mini for just okay atwe akwa na gaba ne we was me mini for nti de wo pa hunu de party was me nankasa so these are we nyina ya de a ye move forward ne develop ye mra ne kwaya paso ye hwe ye nsem ne criminal code no ehiama se ye hwesa de ma we nyina aso breben ana rape ye de two obi so a ye huhu na enko enye bailable offense so that sad kakra de da hon yes
say say ye watra say ye nya de to so
I say ye endangered species no ye de to so na no pay nti ye hwe hunu se da bi enye wa na che se enugasi odi yo no waje nti eye ade a papa
I suppose say o ka say the tool so no nyame na na o direct o ka obi you can pay the obi deliver beto me
lawyer putu
me bring obi na
papa da lawyer the opposing lawyer I had a say cross examination I can as well say I put it to you I put it na papa dey confused ya dey chi o ko that just lawyer bank myself the quite lawyer that you put you
putu
what said the case
okay strike boss suspended
me say Ghana ya jatu musa ye de mrapon ni bebu oman ya kan so say obi ani ho wo oman ma obro ye mrapon e de bebu oman eso na mami insam eba bebre na da bia me ka say amamu no ana say so pepepere ya enye ya sabe mpraduasa enye anu hunu ene ye de pepepere yo e wo oman mu the mere fact say ma betena TV so na maka say mami narrator edi sika no nkyerɛ sɛ wadi sika ɛna no nso nkyerɛ sɛ wɔ sɛ yɛtwe n'ase ebiem sɛneɛ maame no so gyia bia osi tie no yɛn nyinaa yɛ nim per the constitution of the land no ɔnyɛ obi a sɛbi wɔyɛ minister na mampanyin sɔre anopa wɔ sɛ hey me na me pa wonti me se kɔtena se ne sɛ wo yɛ bibi a ɛte saa mmara da a ɛwɔ sɛ wode yɛ adwuma yɛn nyinaa atete sɛneɛ watete bia allegation sɛ mami ɛkwan yɛ ɔfa so a ɔkɔ high ɛdan yɛ ɔno nko a ɛti mu na sɛneɛ wɔsi ama ɔman ahwere sika kyekyere no emu ɔwerɛm nti ahwehwɛ mu mfitiase no ebinom ka sɛ na nka ɔmampanyin mpo nyina di but yɛn nyinaa yɛnim sɛ ɛnya adeɛ ɛyɛ possible ɛnya adeɛ betumi asi da biara da deɛ betumi aba ne sɛ wo a wo ka no complainant no ɛwɔ sɛ wode nkrataa ba wode nkrataa bra ɔmampanyin aso ɛyɛ a ɔmampanyin aso ɛhwehwɛ mu a no nso de ama chief justice na chief justice nso ahwehwɛ mu na mo also mo bro of bi say e be primary facial evidence and as a case ohun se wo asem a wo di abai nye se me nua na ote won me mpena asem anti na make na emum nyina so bi wo mu a ebetumi asomu na ye bisa no na ye bisa no na ebo no a ana se bisa no nya anoyie bi ayi a na kwan ya wo se de fa so na de afa so nyakopon chaade no wono mo ye dede ni ye nya ye dede me fa me honka ho ye nya ye dede ni nyina achi no ye nya nkofo be mienu bi mo apili ana so mo tro de ko petition ama chief justice said there's prima facie evidence and as a case against my men and nti omapam abejotufu a omonhwe na monhwehwe ase eno nkyere se ma me du fo me ntra ha emuni fo the babonten no saa na tie dia a ene na kemu oyero but yenya hu ya yente nanim asem me up to date me nkisa ma me na kasa nti si enunu no ye hwe na saa na tie a amampanyi but upon the advice of the judicial council no so no sanye ye no sabi mu office ya na office bia mu no se nsem bi saa esi na nipa na ye hwehwe ne mu anase hwehwe ne nsemu no oyo bi a odintiti man e was high establishment nim na the continuous stay in the establishment as an institution no ebetumi a impede investigations ebetumi ama nsam no abu ache a na the hia ne say yebema nipa no atana nchen I friend suspension nti by the constitution of the land per the advice of the judicial council and no man panyin say maame say wudi for say wuni for no gina nchen kakra then hwe won nsem for me a good governance issue, a rule of law issue, a idea, me feel say, sabi, what is say, that's a blana now to me in power kora. So I just say, I was say, fat and mra, so, into me train crank, could see my minister, Paisika Mayan, and I'm say, TNT. Intermediate, dear Sino. Good for the no quite so pep. I shed name, of course. Nanka or other options. Or other options. Oh, assembly see, and no, I bet you resign. And now I say, you no prima facie evidence, and buy any who so assemble or no be a mere voluntary metan chain, near him. But no sooner an option, and that's why I use the word option. Say opera. And be behind send the kitchen to see a man or Bampania cast a one tran chain, they saw pill. So on pill, and so tranching. Intimate media years, I was saying, a very sensitive position. Charge an institution here, one and there was a more trust architect, a project in Semu. Now said, be beside for a more institution, because I can eject a institution, no, so I just for me, no, a idea, Mampania Tresse, or dim rasso, Mampania Tresse, corruption, no, and it doesn't matter. Say, Nini Woo. Say, una wo den position no e ba say bo say oye de oya oye na amagana so tumpo
1441 say post for na University of Ghana mo ye demonstration achepa asma make na me na tibie say students bi akọ fru dua so post no head say I say you either fail or I fail you. Because please, I will fail.
This time around, the president has failed.
The president has failed. The honorable.
Yes, I think a mini cambo and you know, two and among a way by. In Yanyama. Na, Yanya honorable. I'm not done pray. MP for someone. It will be a bit no send any baby cream. No. Say, MPs in Kuma Mababa Banani
Mano
Kati Mudi Apoto Catching also a paba if you say na onim say send tibia or come on my Ghana. Mammy not now how many years? Sadia you come
Oba strike.
You say few hot at the hotel. Menya sure say na watch anana.
Oh, they bro sir.
More than a year.
Bro.
More than a year.
Yeah,
I believe so.
And unti na your checks and balances in a way. Aban sika na editua no. Aban sika won kɔ na nko bie safe na nko yi mfantua. We be sign ba chawe, we be sign we be kira de kodi a wo de ye. Nti along the chain no. Na way hwan na ye involved. Na nti aso no obi nim. Me de ba say yesi ye kokata ase hye yesi ye yesi. Emre adu asase ye prevent. Ni aye betimi yesi anokwan no. Ensase ye ma ne happen kra. Ye wia yakopa no adu. Akoda no okosum na so a aboa be ka no. Oti ase bon ho ban se obekosu mane okosum na so. Na emum in extreme cases no oje onsem na okosum na so a eno de wo
ba
drama. Na nyese o jana wrausa watwi wani se de bibia ahia wo. Okọ na bibi koye no wi afi na wo na to ko ho dimrika pe drama. This is the situation we are in. Yay, the way I take corruption, anti-corruption crusade, as I say, you were need to change, now happen, we are now, as a tiku, the Kwamna Kufu, now to Abisunu, and I see Ababa Mania, near Posana, Reterete, Sam. Are we getting our money back? You're suspending my near your investigation. If we are, oh my Ghana, Sikana, say I'm part, the allegation, Timena. So far, improve we. Say, I'm passing the attitude the young nature. Are we going to get our monies back? We're a very, very important situation. Now, when him, yeah, my offer you money. And I also appear once. If we say, Yadi, Yadi, near Jena, CPSO, near Tria Swaba. If we are near your appointment, Obia, your appointing the Naura baby, Obi Nimuno. Onko jina honko
yeah campaign dabi mancha agbo na onko hobi
dabi onko na onko obi nko bisa no kosan ba akokora da na wa appoint no na ono nia ope na oye owia na hunsunsan so ne hon tansa no na bebo ne wa ban
ma je ma defend and I say ma je atom ho.
That is where the problem comes. Enti eba ne sa yen amayofo politician asisi NDC for na wa bam munya ise mu protect appointees na asema beto won no ana ye de bibia to won so no yes emrenti untimi nso na konse ye de we ato no sunti na mum animanim ne ntempa ne ya pe ho mpomasibre ne ya hwehwem onifo a ne ya hohoro no ho kama ne ya mama nsa nyina ate se dabi e your tiny ani brenti ne bia de we ato no so na mum se bono na odifo a yenya na mrano tunana mon said the sefata president ade pro refers a issue my chief justice ano no so tu one amon na edu na obi beka said the pa ne take years so long the breathing tin besi ne enunti yatena ho a fe na akodu ne se ya twen akọ ya
cheye
oh na busumi siama
enti obi bisa sa ne se sana mo require se obi ba be ye
complain
oh yeah complain bebrebe na petition no kwada be
oh na say
the petition say ekwayansa na ya fe ansa na
around November December
but because petition somewhere along the line because ye say as petition no ko but because say judicial council so we be can say e be sisa be no munsa enkan bibia no munsa nkan bibia na minister that presidency sukransa kan
complain biaba
but na media do media na wo ho
na NDC the former president Mills so on the corruption omote ya omo down bet na dana omotu ho na no me ho aduma. This is a special case anyway. Maybe I have a dream. Maybe I have a dream. So I say, "Yeah, my men and tranche. mrakwanso na yenya hwehwemu Ghana for we must as I said from here no yemfie ni ni akire na no mate we dey no national service scheme national service scheme papa na
oh yes siska ya ba yeah say a che wo mo
sikana sikana Ghana for say kana back mama yenya say ye wo niam no mra no wo ho ye mamra no nya adwuma na nya stop gap ni insisa na me ya no kwan we can prevent most of them from happening
so then so we be kan was Malaysia nyesa corruption into mba ho na ho wo ye ne e chew
yes
ade e de be ye wo no
nti wo kan na enye wakọ what you say it is me answer na ade no be free baba be duru wo ha ye be free tundi corruption bibi wo ho mra bi wo ho a esese simi kwan na sese mra no ye to say ye jeja mra na jeje mu na mayo na afa kwamna ha na be duru ha by the time adwuma wura ani beba no ho so no na dwurum die ye de awie na afi ye ntwene nkọ ye mfa ne mra ye mfa obia nim se wonye se ade we am yakosen wo Ghana hada anu nti na che se hwete sam ne afi ho adi na se koba ne se ya na wo ka che Ghana fo se omu ntopetro ebo ya ye to no wa bra ya te so wa banya so na ye bo sika na no na bia dia ya de foforo aka adwen pa o
be ba be ngura mu me tete be bia so it be ngura mu an o de ngura when to be messed up
aka ya adwen papa uputem just ka win for no like ba Ghana fo susu se Ghana fo yam hihie ye nim se emre bia ba ye sika o me sika aban ayusu no sane a wo pe ebini sabami de ye gitum pa na e ko basa pasa na tia
oputu am na oputu
eti se ko basa pasa na tia eti ye o enforce ka no ye de bi bedi sa nsem yi hu a gida no me ne ho a ya ti ne ye hunu ya that is where I am sisi ni free ba enu nti no aban any ye politicians see a person Ghana for come with us na ye tu anamo ebebo a esese ye di kan di ye huni nania ekuta ye kakra no ye hunu kwa pai be fa so a ye de betoto ya kwan na nyankai a wo special schools ya afimu ni nyina ye ntimi ama on subvention ye mfa bi hwe won na duru se ye ebu akonta ye nya akonta fa bi ebu a kire Ghana fo me de nyamani kapi sa se maame no on suspension na ye hwehwem ni a we could have prevented that
then can bet me asia no because can you no koyi obi na bi approve ye okotena ho se afi ha se ni na nti obi bisa se nti ye shrag boss kra no otehen ade nti na ote ho o dan ade nti na dan ye nyem ma sa ni mani na nka o se nti but honorable ye kan ye no e bi odo de na aba o
ane
but e bi ade ma bi others na ensem bi ete se we se
sa pepepe
anan so ye twen abna be duru
ye wi na nim when him say na no metro mass for there by when him say kuma say metro mass o me pese aso
yeah
Miami private investigation eti wo de wo ha no me kama so ma nsuro nti amansan bete die wo bibi biara committee bi a ya set biara wo mu aye so adwuma no wo mu hwa so be ya adwuma pepepe if he say ye mu bi me na me ya MP ho ma manipa akọ me wo dosia nti ebe ye comparison basis no se bi ayira se bi nyirae na yentena ho emma nipa nwuma eboa oman ane ahiafo ne mobrowa metro mass transit
nti dosie no ho ene ye hwe se be dura bi a da ba ha mass asem na sa be pie ase but na hwe newspapers no mu a owura oda no ye MD no so no so na no atom bi o se depot manager for ye misa wo yeah bas na ese free ho so free ho because adwumayefo no ebo deputy MD amane ono so se ye misa depot for no mu a bo hwe so no kwan kra fa so
deputy MD on say on step aside
o se mo so mo nko on step aside chairman nyina nkom se e wo ho but
ya kan ya no so ye tena ho ye hwe ha kopim so mu ye wie
ye mra daily graphic no pay medical stores in flames hospitals to face medicine shortage as well be to dwa no wo hwe newspapers ni na ewu ono abo nra o teme nra be se nwire na mete sa asem no se ya setema ye medical stores we jabi edem ho menya bibi panso mu but mate huhu bi se jama obi ko hye jabi odan achi wo se ho but we aba Safi ubati ese hashi kumasi ese meters gubebi ashe wesu abeshe yenim de besan ashe biem. Last year we could buy me kwa ho American for buy so mehwe ni nti ashe ebe ne da so tete hase a baby akwa kuduru no.
Yeah. Anyway, my mention saying free ejashehye in general. Me de me GDA say e was on mine a boy nyina ye ho ban de. Na wan kasa obetimi abo ho ban asen o mine. Ene eye medical stores. Enu nti na agye ntre ha. Ebetimi aye wo fie, ebetimi aye ba bia. Ye me say ho say emu nipa dodo sen ene ye wo even fire extinguisher e wo ye casting. Na emu dodo so sen ene ye wo fire extinguishers e wo ye fie. Me mum de me wo practical experience e was ani manim nti da bia makanye se mete ha na me ye advert ama POP for me bubo nkuku buo kra me ye POP because POP ni mu a aka me fie hye kra drobe nti ade a me de atumi hofo se fire extinguisher a necessity I was so bia enya bi men fa ho se look ade a wonu omanyi omo ho nko a na e was say wonom enya e wonum fie because we hwe fire extinguisher no ba ko je ne bo na hwe se ja eto fie na se obi bi mu a eno so se ne bi se akoso na e fie se e was nyina ye tu ye hofo along that line oba me zoom on to niema e hye ya of course me so me kan times no menya bibisa say yesi obi esoja around that premises no
and me fa bibi fufuro so ntum na address breko say chief of fire officer Kudru ho no say he said the crew managed to contain the fire from the southeast point, noting that one major challenge encountered by the crew was that housekeeping at the facility was not very good. Dr. Gazy said the building contained mixed cargo with all types of combustible materials that were highly inflammable, saying that coupled with an unfriendly weather condition intensified the fire, making it difficult to bring it under control.
Yeah, for another it will be very difficult because look, you can say medical stores are highly combustible materials are not keep no.
Now didn't you have a
well, ne fra no because in a say bia uchiche mu kura na se nyina gu den we mu the best you can do ne say bia wo de no be see baby back now the asase at the end of the day no se jani tomu a
baby beshi
nti say no e ko fiti ho a na no combustion no e kosoro a e be fra ni nyina for me that is not the solution to the matter. The solution to the matter ne say number one okay e be to me a prevent say e be to ja because that way that we are e wo mu so ne wo ka so bi ko tu ja e wo motorway whether we are a woman yet to ja rough
but normal anope ma chi kra me bana crofo hye kwan bia nam so mo
idea e was say tu susa na fire service for so eboa me tu sa ne ma we nyina eso sa se ne be ya emma oman no enhwere sika chichiri die and again you say minister no so make a statement be to that effect I know so paper no capture but minister sa no so kasa we a minister of health na baby Ghana ye store ye nuru no ahye a ontumi megira bonten fa osan gu ti say oh dia ye onto bia in charge ajo
o se me ye mohu
na ye wo
also mbehwe say also more temporary warehouse
and quite apart from that so the regional depots no more enough medicines or what e betumi ama omo kwan ma omotimi aye arrangement with the shortest possible time no netimi aye yetimi anya nuro ma oman ntimi because of course obia no bohu na your stores na ashi ene e say duro kra benya oman mu kra no ho be den ne ade ade as a minister for me they also can and why they no aka no the most important point is say obetu ho anamon na within the shortest possible time no e betu benya aduro ni bi are supplemented there ewo harder than no na enkoye say bedru ba bi no yesi o nam say no ni hye nti no e bia akọ hospital kra yenya aduro enyede empama anu mum de nya but for me hu statement am me kind of types mu no me hu de nti e wo say obo achi bi din e wo say bonus na senuam of course you cannot run away from the fact say Ghana ariska adiyewu but enya si awie de asem enya si wie of course nka e betime si ho kwan de but enya si wie the next option is enya lamentation a solution and na also ope e de so ano nti going forward me gidi yes atike I was say ehwe yi most especially I weather we I take a job for granted. But for me, one of the things that me show me as I buy a pa. Until no nyina ya moye ho ban na ye hwe se ye jai no ankasa by accident a ye mo ho ban na mom se ye obi nso bu apayo na okotu emu janso de a nipa na ajejeje se Ghana law court the crown prosecutor a Yakopon court be prosecute one day. But for me, I don't want to believe in that one. But that's an option anyway.
Okay.
Yes, eja toto me kai say a call parliament for now. Ejejinemu pa honorable titles global.
Yeah.
MP for Tema East. Yes. O make a statement on the floor of parliament. Ama enum nyina bebre nya kwanya e support to. Eja to Tema. I'm say steel house or steel company. Say Japadie ni de ma bebrebe bi kra hwere wo nkwa. He made that statement. Na nya nyina adwene ko ben krom kosi ye ne se. Emre du say ye pe kwan pomasibre be prevent. Eja de oye very useful servant. Eja when you want to mean ninam. No. Mutimi away by ye bi kra no so si ape no kodware. You need fire. Na naked fire. Eja ehon da ho ebetimi edi dwurum se wa ma wani ama ho so a ade a ehunye enti as much say oye servant no osan ye ade a obetimi asay ade
edini ho agro
obi pray enti as oman den na esi ye emre meka we nyina na eja to kantamanto ne eja to Kumasi Central Market ne eja to ha afedi de koba ne se yes, yeah, president, security, national security, si jama ye, sabotage. And na niema awodo afede na esi ekofa nipa free America no mobile. So wakaye.
Ayo beka.
Nti na nka nipa nyina susu se. Yenya America fo abe na sabotage fo eja yide na nka ja hihye no.
Eja na hihye ni so okay America. Na no su Kumasi de. Na susu mita yesi be se sika bebre na okoshe no.
So
we should cry here no.
Abublushi market.
We Abublushi market. We yes we are domino no.
Adome. Okay. Enti eba ne sa no.
Yes we should be garage no.
Eba ne sa na as omamu afutu a yetimi de ma president a ne se eye mamboyefuo bi ana ne nam ne tutuja. Nti e kochire nipa mienu asamiensa. Samukai. Ko wie sei. Yada honti jasihie no America for na bako so me report so me yada honti jasihie enti I agree with Kwabena Akando honorable say this emirate says tenase as a people na ye hwe kwampa ye be fa so a ye betinya sisa na me ya no kwan e de ansa na betinya nya kwampa yi say ohunu wiring system wo fie wo say japade kro na wo ka wiring system if you be see since 1960 why is ye di gumu be sine yanka no enen so kane ye dum no 1 minute ni aso 2 minutes enti erratic power supply bibi betinya ka bibi credit
trigger
obi kura iron afie mu die odi iron to ade a ni waja no ho ni refi ne ho na okọ na eja ase enti bra kantamanto de ne baaye no ni kai pa na adudan ko akufu ado omu bra na ni okọ hokọhwe won ahuna mane na o kasa no o de to animu se emre du se oman no ebetimi a nka ye public markets akese a ye wo nyina ye nhwere we wire no ni ye nhwe kwa pa architectural design ewo ho ana de Kaneshi market eye mfato ho se fibra Kaneshi market ye no sa complex na management ye to gate at this time ye bie na this time markets be bra ahye ba Kaneshi market da ho wo nia etie enti ye hwe kwan a ye fa so a ye si ya dan no ye market no ene kwan a electrical friend say wire ni ade nyina ye eno ni ye preemptive eno ye preventive eno no betimi asi niam bi ho kwan ansana ya fire service ya kosansuo ha o ana we na mre o ana we na hwe japade na ase bebrebe. Now all that we are saying is say ye betimi exisa niam ho kwan a titru aban aso ye te say a whole supply granted se kwa ehon ho ana obi eso gya wo wira bi ana ekoso mu a granted such a facility yen rogu ho eti yeni security zone yate ato ho for bi abe ayi a friend say
as a buffer bi da ho as a jakura beto ho a ebe jano be dum we ho
na no eno so kura nipa kura wo kura wo nya hey and so serious, very serious. Now, who was I who say, Sir, say, we be so Yahweh, level ya, Edry.
And honorable Mr. Obi in Chuano, Fatabepa. I told our crowd as well, and honorable candles, Yaso Janumpo. Obia and Kahoshu. Copum said, Besso Mansa, Nancy be men a man in Maniche, a Cramwell area. Now, Obia Sujawo, oh, say, Fiesta Royale, Hono. Obide menim se bulldozers na na oton wo e na ya soja wo enche wa na e dead boob ana obi ahwe ewia kete ti bi do other police ni gina na beka chere se we hu smoke bibrebe na ekoso and as a policeman whether he has been concerned se we hu smoke sa no e che se bibi ikoso and also we hu nti obeko nti etoda ejana so no kra no ye nka hwe kopem se
yeah, and critically, buying installations to say we know. Emre do say you create security zone, buffer zones be ma on. Aban ko be a adwene ma so. But when you na kire enti say nanado asema no kafa shishia ni ade a
nanado's model for we don't know ye
sata kantamanto she ye no na o kire na adwene
okay
afa kwa pa e be fa so e betimi asisi sa na me anokwan so installations say ye cry parliament aye we ayi baby e no mbobo hye wo ho nyina wontimi nhu e bafa bi kura kakra bi ho a chese no de no man's land a chese security concern e wo ho yet wall direct so when na ya dia
ye hwe sa ne man precautionary we say
na
Mr. Obenfa we say ntum ye breda so na owura bi kan asem bi kire me no pay ya o se enne wo kọ man bi mo matum pon kakra na adan no koro musi no omo de pipes e hye wall no
yes
se ba se ensu just share instead say be twin su na fia mo sa de ne bebie na ye de adumja no to say ade a wo se Ghana ha no ye ne ye me ani bre na ye na ye precautionary measures no so na no de no ye de ye adwuma am no bo so na no de so what ya pon
aban a wo man bia mu no so be tu eja hye so sa number 1 aban responsibility ni say obe equip national service na owo man yi mu fire service for no ato machines papa e de amom tiki na fire service for no so ama oman mu ni nyina education President Mahama ain't be my damn have preventive fire wa ha according to this story even granted so moja ba fa kra ho a staff of the central stores no and no na I was say what say obi akra en soja ho no na wa soja and then you go and blame president or
adeba konso at that your say even report na
but menya sa point
say eba ne sa na report na they working ye ntimi so mfa nya adwuma say yankwankura bi mfom so a
people concerned the ground ye jawo
na nim ayi ameto kwa me atenia wadi Ghana
enye no
say was see your papa bicycle
this is below the belt enye no cry member of parliament
say the Ghana people see fu no
honestly maintain as
incitement
my kind because we are reporting
and I don't think so be
passport
we incite me
TK good morning
what dey your entra
we get an ise me ya
I should have
anya
also I'm back in the car I'm to match da obeba ha say baby sasa
na brigadier general can say em fair passport nko ya nka hwe nti what so go a wontime no
asamtie brigadier to come kan utie
Oh, Kwamra,
Utie.
Men depend we na.
Oh, me casa ka we
ka but muntie sa asem we say. Or say a boy we di 18 years. And a woman 43 years deceived me and had sex with me in her house. Can I call the police to arrest her for raping me? Why not?
This Lord.
Say we na so some make us we jam na kade.
Or them man you rape no. The Lord doesn't cater for that.
Oh, he caters.
The rape
law. It's gender bias. That man to be rape.
Oh,
but you can be sexually abused.
That is a different law. So rape doesn't come in at all. This law is gender bias.
Obi ashe no fa no.
Yes. Yes.
The concept. They must uncle can say rape. Post for na nkisa be church na. Ade atono.
Sexually abused.
Ade atono.
Assault.
And okay. Say ye nua KKD pacho abone be no aye nti opacho. Na me de me hu. Enti no as mo.
Yeah, now we're not there.
Okay. Em say ye be si ha say asem na aka de em say say be ha o sitiki. Say nipa na mo se wawu anya no mpancho bebre. Oye den wo free amenanum baaye. Obi a wo sorry there. Me nyina hobi. Ono so question na obi sa Desmond adenta na obi sa question. Wo say say nipa na wo say wo anya no. Oye den wo free grave no mu epie ye. Eye pass ye bisa sa question no. Penny for bedam nyina ase. You go di sa asem na chi. Mpacho so mo te say so cratch bi so wawu anya ne. The pictures na ya de da no nyina ba. Me free mo haya na me hwe na me ne be abro ma adwene no me ti ase no me ha me ho pass me
no an se ba
ya po busia fo ye
ho beto ye
o tira nyame ya doma
ni ade no na aka yo ya bia school we say awo phone true
ana we ya bie
ngwa na ga school
anya me
o tira ya dom
ni say bia school so what
problem inta akando ene mu nyina ase na me sam mo mpe bi mra honorable na say ya bia school ni yam hihye no papa o tira nyame ya doma ye be say ya bia